Today we'll cover master affiliate profits versus wealthy affiliate. Which one is right for you? And this might be just like a regular review to some, but I think deciding on which one can lead to a very big transformation in your financial future. And that might seem like a very bold thing to say, but I do believe if you decide to pick one over the other, that will actually shape your future. And I believe that any one of these platforms can help you make three, four, five plus figures a month. But one is going to shine over the other, and that one will depend on you. And I'll give you enough information to make a decision. And I think that both of these are very well-known programs. But I think what really matters is what you want to do, what aligns with you the best, because the one that you align with the best will make you feel more empowered to actually take that next step, to be motivated to follow the steps that it takes to achieve success online. So if you stay till the end, I will give you a free gift, and this gift is based on my personal experience of making passive income online. So I'll let you know about that at the end. Who am I? My name is Charles Arevan. I've been building online businesses. I'm here in Silicon Valley, been doing it for over a decade. My journey started off when I was trying to build my consulting business. That was a financial consulting business, a traditional business where I met up with clients in person, made a lot of calls. And then I realized that when I got a house, got married, had a kid all around the same time, had a hard time just juggling everything. So it's very complex. And then I did a bunch of research to see what I could do to sustain that business. And then I realized that just going online, finding online businesses was my path forward. And I realized that many of them were very complex. Many businesses just didn't make money. And then I just found success using simpler approaches. So my whole thing here is keeping it simple, and it's dedicated to helping others achieve that financial gain, financial success, and doing that through simple processes. So what is master affiliate profits? Let's compare the wealthy affiliate. So the founders here are Omar Martin, Melinda Martin, and John Thornhill. And I say launched 2024. People started paying for it back in 23. But at that time, there was nothing tangible for people to actually see. It was more like a early investor, early bird kind of deal, where people that were very close to Omar, Melinda, and John Thornhill, or were part of the early group that were able to see what was happening, found out that they were going to get together and launch a program. And so I invested back in 2023 with the hopes that they would actually have a very good product. And so in the beginning of 2024, is actually February, I believe it's 2024, they launched their interface so people could go in and start getting their materials, can get their affiliate link, can get access to the training. And that was in 2024. And then Wealthy Affiliate, Kyle and Carson, they actually launched it back in 2005. So that's actually close to 20 years difference. So a lot of things have changed. I'll talk about that soon. MAP, they are promoting it with a one-time payment at $797. This is the phase two price. When they go into phase three, the official launch, they're saying that it might be a subscription plan. We'll find out soon, but that is what is being discussed. And they'll also have different types of offers in the future. They are also creating more high ticket offers, medium ticket offers, more affordable offers. So that's to be seen in the future. And Wealthy Affiliate, their premium cost is $49 a month and $359 a year. And the thing is, these are the premium costs, what it costs to actually get the real training. And the key differences and similarities, MAP emphasizes on their traffic, their training, automated traffic, sales funnels, and an ecosystem that is automated. So people will get access to a link. A lot of people refer to it as one link, and they just need to promote that, and everything else is automated behind the scenes. So that is something that's pretty cool. And Wealthy Affiliate, it focuses on building and growing your own affiliate marketing websites. So I will mention this. Let's dive into training and then I'll dive into something that's related. MAP, they offer a lot of different types of training. They cover a wide scope of traffic training that can be used to promote high ticket programs and many other affiliate programs. And they have a lot of training, pretty much beginner, intermediate, and advanced. And so you'll be able to learn a lot of that. And then Wealthy Affiliate, they go over a process, which I used to do. I used to build tons and tons of niche websites, and they focus on SEO and affiliate marketing fundamentals. So here's what I'm going to talk about. There's this key phrase that I typed into Google because it's something that's actually a very big deal. And what you see here is that Google's helpful content update can impact sites traffic in a number of ways, and it goes into it. But if you look into this example, it says one analysis found that 78% of the 671 travel publishers lost organic traffic after that HCU update. And so that's actually a very big deal. And it's not just people in the traveling niche. It impacted so many niches across the board. There are things where people thought, okay, only things that are impacting people's health or financial well-being, kind of like going into stocks, investing, and health and wellness and stuff like that, was going to severely impact people. But there were a lot of people outside of those niches that got extremely slammed, meaning that they lost a lot of money, they lost a lot of traffic. And so you'll learn all about this. Just a lot of people talking about how their web traffic got impacted. And again, outside of the travel industry. So I'm just mentioning this because I had faced this a lot on my websites. And so there's a lot of people that have created their own sites, their own blogs. You could see this person saying blogging depression. It's pretty bad. Even you'll see a bunch of posts even in 2024. So it's had a long-term impact, and especially with the advent of ChatGPT, AI, making it very easy to create blogs nowadays, any type of written content especially. It's impacted the whole website kind of niche website building industry. So I just want to let you know that up front. So commissions. MAP offers perpetual commissions on its ecosystems, their products and services, while Wealthy Affiliate primarily offers recurring commissions from its own membership program. And then community. Both platforms foster communities. MAP has their Facebook group, and Wealthy Affiliate, they have their forum and live chat. I think the forum concept is good. MAP has Facebook, and they also have like their live webinar chats, and you could communicate with the founders and others, especially within the Facebook group. So there's a lot of interaction in MAP as well. Traffic, MAP provides traffic training in a wide variety of different modules, whether you want to go into videos, social media, email marketing, even blogging. I want to show you that even though I mentioned a lot about HCU, there are still people that are profiting from blogs, and there has been some positive changes in the Google algorithm to support especially small time bloggers, because of course it's not fair just to slam tons and tons of people that are trying to create even great content online. So there's been changes in the algorithm that are more positive. So it's still doable to get traffic through content. I also want to say this because I've been doing niche blogging for a long time. There's actually a special way to get traffic if you are into writing or even videos, that there's a special way to actually get traffic nowadays that is very different than what people talk about, especially when it comes to blogging. So that's something that I teach, especially people that get mapped directly from me. Um, Pricing, a map has a one-time fee. WA has this monthly or annual plan. Tools, both offer tools. Map focuses on automation, sales funnels. They also have a sales funnel, like a landing page builder called Convert Tools that comes with the system at this point in time. That's an added bonus, along with many other bonuses. And Wealthy Affiliate, they provide all this stuff that's used for people that are building out websites. And I want to talk about something really quick because if you are trying to build a business online, you want to find out how you can actually diversify your traffic, not just stick to just one type of traffic. Any type of traffic, especially that relies on an algorithm, even social media, there can be some strategy that works. And then, like, let's say a year or two later, even months later, there's a strategy that's not going to work anymore. So it really depends on the algorithm, and many of these algorithms are built so people don't spam the system, don't just extremely try to manipulate things. So I understand the reasons why they're doing it. If you want to learn how to build a business using affiliate marketing, I am giving away a free gift. And that free gift, it's focused on people that are trying to build, especially like a home-based business. I focus on building a business from home, whether your home is in your current location or you're a nomad and you're traveling the world, whatever place that you want to build your business, that's what my free course is built on. So if you want to learn how to generate passive income, especially high commissions with high ticket affiliate marketing, you can go ahead and grab my free gift. And that gift, it's offered in the pinned comment below this video and also in my description. So I want to thank you for watching this video. It is a comparison of Master Affiliate Profits by Omar Martin, Melinda Martin, John Thornhill versus Wealthy Affiliate with Kyle and Carson's program. So thank you very much. And also make sure that you claim that free gift. Thanks for watching.